Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a LEGO Eli Vanto minifigure. So without any further ado, let's get into this. Firstly, you're going to want to take the legs from this Batman minifigure. You can then add the torso from this Imperial Officer minifigure. The head I'm using for this minifigure comes from one of the new 2020 style Clone Troopers. And finally, the hair for this minifigure comes from Jeff Goldblum's Jurassic Park character. I don't remember what it's called. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should now look like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're building yours. I've just bought the canon version of the Thrawn Trilogy, and I know that Eli Vanto is one of the main characters that appears in it, so I thought that I'd like to make him before I start reading it. Overall, very happy with this. If you have any ideas for any more minifigures that you would like to see me make in the future, feel free to leave a comment or reach out to me on my Instagram. Also, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and if you really enjoyed it, you can hit the subscribe button. I built some minifigures from the Thrawn Trilogy a while ago, so maybe check out some of those, which should be on the end screen now. Also, thank you for watching.